Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want you to come along with me as I clean and disinfect our home and show you how to make DIY disinfectant solution. So many of us right now, including myself, are wanting to properly clean and disinfect our homes to make them safe for our family. That's why I'm so happy to be partnering up with Clorox Canada today, who is sponsoring this video, to show you exactly how to make DIY disinfectant at home and how to use it correctly. I've been using Clorox Bleach for many years in my own home, and their disinfecting products are registered with Health Canada. So I trust their disinfecting products as proven ways to kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria on hard, non-porous surfaces in my home. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make DIY disinfectant solution at home correctly. Plus, I'm gonna take you along with me as I clean and disinfect the most used spots in our own home. Let's get started. Let's start by making the DIY disinfecting solution using Clorox Bleach. Here's the product I'm using, Clorox Performance Disinfecting Bleach. Bleach is one of the most effective disinfectants, and it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. Clorox disinfecting products are registered with Health Canada. See this DIN number here? That means the product has been reviewed and approved by Health Canada to kill bacteria and viruses. I personally had no idea this existed, and so I'm really happy to know it now. Let's make our disinfecting solution. Don't forget to wear rubber gloves when using bleach. Use it in a well-ventilated area and make a fresh solution each day you want to use it. To make the disinfecting solution, first measure 1/3 of a cup or 80 milliliters of bleach. Fill a bucket with 1 gallon or 3.8 liters of water. And pour the bleach into it. Please note that the amount of bleach you'll need depends on the Clorox disinfecting bleach product used, so please make sure to double check the directions on the product label and visit clorox.ca/resources for more info. So easy, right? Now I'm going to carefully pour this solution into a spray bottle so it's easy for me to use. Make sure to keep this solution out of reach of children and pets, and make sure to discard the contents at the end of each day. Now that I've made my disinfectant solution, I am ready to get cleaning and disinfecting our home. Now in this spray bottle, I've made a pre-cleaning solution with water and soap. I'm going to start here in the master bathroom, which can often be one of the most neglected spaces. To disinfect, I'll first need to pre-clean all of the hard, non-porous surfaces in here. I'm going to use this mixture of soap and water I have right here and go ahead and give everything a nice clean. Now that everything is pre-cleaned, I'm going to go disinfect the room using my DIY disinfectant. After I've applied the solution to all my non-porous surfaces, I'm going to wait 6 minutes for the surfaces to be disinfected. Make sure you refer to the product label so you know how long is needed on the surface to disinfect. And we're all done. I'm going to go ahead and clean and disinfect some of the other well-used rooms in our home that definitely need it. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped make you feel better about cleaning and disinfecting your home. Thanks again to Clorox Canada for sponsoring this video and helping me make my disinfecting solution at home correctly. Make sure to check out that link down in the description box below to learn more about Clorox and how to disinfect your home.